So, yeah, new fridge. I will just show you. We have the new fridge here, and it fits in the hole perfectly where the old one was. There's only one little issue, how to make sure it stays where it's supposed to stay. So if you can imagine that you have this black one, and the wood would go on both sides on that one here. Like that. Oh, I will show you like this. I think that's better. Now this is just the one, I'll use that one as a template. And then we'll see how it goes from there. But that's my idea. So to make sure I can make the fridge stay in the hole, I made these blocks that will go over the edge of the fridge like this. But I had to put one screw a little crooked, because otherwise I will never get in here, because here we have like a pull-out plate, and to be able to screw here I need to do it like that. I will never get in here with a screwdriver or anything. So yeah, that's just how it's gonna be. And of course I need to make cable connection, but that's not a big deal. It's pretty easy done. Finally got it in and got these screws in. It was a bit of a challenge actually. I will show you. It's if you see in there, I don't know if you can see that, but just on top, up here, up there is the two screws. It was not a tremendous challenge, but a bit of a challenge to get them in there. So now the fridge will be sitting there nice and good, and the pull-out plate goes in place. That's really nice. Fridge on. There's light. At least there's something. Yeah, it's working. Brilliant. It's working. Very nice. Ah, it's working. It's working. I couldn't be happier. Yes. So yeah. Cup of coffee, guys. That's nice. I'm really happy that fridge is working. Yeah. And then in the toilet I have to install this one so we don't have any leaks from the toilet. I don't know, a suction preventer valve thing. Yeah. But it turns out that the hose I bought for it is actually too small. I bought 19 millimeters, but I didn't do my, because that's 19 millimeters outside and it needs to be 19 millimeter inside. Yeah, what can I say? My bad. It happens. That's how it is. No. So we got a little project going on. I will show you what it's all about. It's our old pump from the sewage tank is completely gone, not working anymore. So I bought a new one that we could put in, and just to make things even better, our old pump, shower pump, was gone as well. So I bought a new one for that also. It's this one. So I need to put all that together. But I ran into a bit of an issue because these hoses here are so old and so stiff that I need to change them. It's I will never get it to fit together if I don't. So we'll see how that is gonna turn out. I took it apart yesterday and I got completely covered in that not so nice stuff. So first I need to hoover that out of the bottom so I don't have to work in all that. It's not very nice with that. So I think I better get something done. So yeah, that's what it is right now. So let's see what it's gonna turn out to be. Yeah, it's really nice. A few years back I bought this little hoover, this little one that can do both wet and dry, and I have to say it's an absolutely brilliant thing to have. This one is very, very small, but for boat work, absolutely brilliant. When you're doing hoses or you're cleaning up somewhere, you can suck out pretty much anything with that one. It's really, really brilliant. Yeah, and of course when I'm finished with all this, I need to wash everything down because it doesn't smell too good. You know, it's yeah, there will always be a little bit standing in, even though we ran antifreeze through the pumps and hoses and everything. There will always be a little bit of that not so nice stuff from the sewage tank. So when everything is done, I will have to wash it down completely with soap and water, something really strong. Now you see, now I need to start putting all this together, and these ones, they got an O-ring in the end, so I don't have to do anything else, which is pretty good. Shall I get it? Yeah, so I finally got it all put together. I'll show you with that shower pump thing. That was a bit of a challenge, especially in here in the cabinet, in the forward cabinet here in the bow, to get all the hoses through, and yeah. But now we are here. I think we should give it a try, see if the damn thing works. So let's see. I put a little water here in the shower basin. Let's see. Okay, that's promising. There was light. And it's running. And water is coming through. Yeah. It's working. The light is on and everything. Brilliant. Brilliant. Oh. Now I'm really happy. I'm really happy I made that work. Oh, that was a bit of a struggle actually, but because down in that stupid hole here with all the batteries and winch stuff and hoses and yeah, there's not much room. Now here comes the worst part. Now I need to get that toilet pump installed, or that pump for the sewage tank. Yeah, well, it will take a while. I'm not gonna bore you with that. I will give you an update on the way. Yeah, actually I decided it was time for a cup of coffee. So yeah, and it's if we look out the windows, it's windy and cold outside. It's not really nice weather. I'm in that fortunate situation. I have a very good heater on board, so even though it gave us a little trouble last year, as you could see on the videos, so but that's how it is. Shit happens. So now I'm at that point. Now I got it all put together. I'll just show you guys. See, all the hoses, everything is put together. That one is in. All I have to do now is tie wrap everything up, and when everything is tie wrapped, yeah, then job done. Then all I have to do is test it to see if it's actually not leaking. But I can't do that right now because I don't have any water, so that will have to wait until I get some water with me. They closed the water here in the port for the winter, all the outside water taps. So yeah, but it can wait. It's not a big deal. So yeah, that's where we are. I need to go and find some tie wraps so I can get it all sorted out so it's sitting the way I want it. And I really don't like it when you have cables and stuff all over the place. I would like to have it tightened up and tied up. So now I have some tie wraps. Oh, by the way, here's a good trick for you. When you open a bag of tie wraps, open it like this in the middle. Then you always have them under control. not all over the place. It was actually some of the turbine guys who taught me that. I think it's a brilliant idea. So simple, huh? And it works. Fantastic. Fantastic. Yeah. Oh yeah. That was good. Now I'll clean this up a little bit before I have too much shit lying about everywhere. So yeah. That was all for this time, guys. Remember to push that subscribe button and push that little bell so you'll get notifications of our next video. Until next time, see you then. Bye bye.